beautiful to sing and to hear. Thank you. Our men's ensemble will now entertain us mightily with...
Arg! Me matey, what is a pirate's most favorite letter of the alphabet?
R?
No, me matey, it's C. What do you call a pirate with 2 eyes and 2 legs?
Now that's a little too obvious. A rookie, of course. And tell me, Missy, what lies at the bottom of the ocean and twitches?
Don't know that I can tell that, me matey.
A nervous wreck. Well, how about this one? How much did the pirate pay for his piercings?
What? You think I don't know that? Ha! A buccaneer.
Are you ready, are ye? Okay. Well, let's get on with it then.
All right, we will now be stunned and astonished beyond belief by our sailors singing the Wellerman.